Welcome back to Tech Up. Today we're exploring 14 incredible kitchen gadgets that will make your cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. From smart tools to essential appliances, these gadgets are perfect for upgrading any kitchen. Stay tuned for detailed insights on each item, and don't forget to check the links in the description for all products. Be sure to subscribe for more amazing gadget reviews and tips. Govee Smart Light Bulbs. Transform your kitchen ambiance with Govee Smart Light Bulbs. These Wi-Fi enabled bulbs let you control the lighting with your voice, smartphone, or even a schedule. Adjust brightness, choose from millions of colors, or sync the lights to your favorite music for a vibrant experience. Not only are they energy efficient, but they're also a great way to create the perfect mood for every occasion, from romantic dinners to family gatherings. Their compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant ensures effortless control at your fingertips. Upgrade your kitchen lighting with these versatile smart bulbs today. Check the link in the description. StirMATE Automatic Pot Stirrer. Say goodbye to constant stirring with the StirMATE Automatic Pot Stirrer. This rechargeable gadget keeps your soups, sauces, and stews perfectly mixed without you lifting a finger. Its adjustable arms fit any pot, and the powerful motor ensures consistent results. Whether you're busy prepping other ingredients or just want to relax while cooking, this stirrer has you covered. It's especially helpful for dishes that require continuous attention, ensuring nothing sticks or burns. Make multitasking in the kitchen a breeze with this clever tool. Find the link below to get yours now. Angled Measuring Cup. Revolutionize the way you measure liquids with the Angled Measuring Cup. Its unique design allows you to read measurements from above, eliminating the need to bend or lift the cup repeatedly. This simple yet innovative tool ensures precise measurements every time, perfect for cooking, baking, or even mixing cocktails. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold, even when working with larger quantities. If accuracy and ease of use are what you're looking for, this measuring cup is an essential addition to your kitchen. Click the link in the description to grab yours today. Ecobee Smart Thermostat. Bring smart technology into your kitchen with the Ecobee Smart Thermostat. Not only does it control your home's temperature, but it also integrates with Alexa for voice commands. This thermostat learns your preferences over time, automatically optimizing your home's climate for comfort and energy efficiency. It's also a fantastic tool for managing your energy costs while keeping your kitchen at the perfect temperature during meal prep. With its sleek design and easy installation, it's a valuable upgrade for any tech-savvy homeowner. Find it now through the link in the description. Quart Slow Cooker. The Quart Slow Cooker is a kitchen staple for preparing hearty meals with minimal effort. Its adjustable heat settings and large capacity are perfect for soups, casseroles, or even desserts. Imagine coming home to a perfectly cooked meal after a long day. It's the ultimate convenience. The durable ceramic pot ensures even heat distribution, while the sleek design makes it a stylish addition to your kitchen counter. Whether you're cooking for your family or hosting guests, this slow cooker guarantees delicious results every time. Click the link below to add it to your kitchen arsenal. Salt and Pepper Grinder. Elevate your seasoning game with this stylish salt and pepper grinder. Featuring adjustable coarseness and a sleek design, it's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Freshly ground spices not only enhance flavor, but also add a touch of elegance to your cooking process. These grinders are easy to refill and clean, making them a hassle-free choice for any chef. Whether you're seasoning a salad or preparing a gourmet meal, these grinders are a must-have for your kitchen. Grab them now through the link below. Food Vacuum Sealer. Keep your food fresher for longer with the Food Vacuum Sealer. Whether you're preserving leftovers, meal prepping, or storing seasonal produce, this gadget removes air to lock in freshness. It's perfect for extending the shelf life of meats, fruits, and vegetables while maintaining their flavor and nutritional value. Compact and easy to use, it's also great for Sous Vide cooking enthusiasts. Save time, money, and food with this must-have kitchen tool. Find it in the description. Personal blender, whip up smoothies, shakes, or sauces in seconds with this powerful personal blender. Its compact design makes it perfect for small kitchens or on-the-go lifestyles. The detachable bottle doubles as a travel cup so you can blend and take your drink anywhere. Its high-speed motor ensures a silky texture for your beverages, whether it's a protein shake or a green smoothie. Easy to clean and store, it's a convenient choice for busy mornings. Click the link below to get yours today. Sous vide machine, cook like a pro with the Sous vide machine. This precision cooker ensures perfectly cooked meats, vegetables, and more by immersing them in water at a controlled temperature. It's an ideal tool for achieving tender, restaurant-quality results at home without the guesswork. From juicy steaks to perfectly cooked eggs, this gadget makes culinary perfection accessible to everyone. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or simply treating yourself, the Sous vide machine is a game changer. Grab it now through the link in the description. Food kitchen scale. Accurate measurements are essential in cooking, and the food kitchen scale delivers just that. With its sleek design, digital display, and tare function, this scale is ideal for portion control, baking, and meal prep. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to store or carry to cooking classes. For health-conscious individuals, it's a fantastic tool for tracking calorie intake and ensuring balanced meals. Get yours via the link below to elevate your kitchen game. Magnetic knife holder. Keep your knives organized and within reach with the magnetic knife holder. Its strong magnets securely hold your knives, freeing up counter space and adding a modern touch to your kitchen. It's a safer way to store sharp tools, preventing accidental cuts and keeping blades in top condition. The stylish design blends seamlessly into any kitchen decor, while the durable materials ensure long-lasting use. Check the description for more details on this must-have accessory. Can opener say goodbye to struggling with cans? This can opener is durable, easy to use, and features a comfortable grip. Its sharp cutting wheel ensures a smooth, effortless experience every time. Designed to last, it's perfect for opening everything from soup cans to canned fruits. Its compact size makes it easy to store, and the ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue. Perfect for any kitchen, you can grab it through the link in the description. Coffee maker. Start your mornings right with this coffee maker. Designed for convenience and quality, it brews rich, flavorful coffee at the touch of a button. With multiple settings and a sleek design, it's perfect for coffee lovers everywhere. Whether you prefer a single cup or a full pot, this machine delivers consistent results every time. Click the link below to upgrade your mornings and enjoy cafe-quality coffee at home. Ice cream maker. Create delicious homemade ice cream with this easy-to-use ice cream maker. Perfect for family fun or experimenting with unique flavors, it delivers creamy results in no time. Imagine crafting your favorite flavors from scratch, free from preservatives or additives. Its compact size and efficient design make it ideal for any kitchen, big or small. Check the description to get started on your ice cream journey and make dessert time extra special. These 14 kitchen gadgets are game changers for anyone looking to simplify and enhance their cooking experience. Be sure to check the product links in the description to shop your favorites. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Up, and hit the notification bell for more exciting gadget reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.